My name is Michelle Ferguson, and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. So CBA is very, like I said, interactive driven, very community driven. You don't just sign up for a course and take a course and do it on your own. You are with people each and every day. You have scheduled meetings, you have scheduled planning times. You have a live community, a live coach that you're with each and every day to help you grow your business. So my business has grown quite a bit since I joined CBA. I was really ready to quit designing crochet patterns. Since I have joined CBA in 2019, I have tripled my Etsy sales. I have doubled my overall bottom line income, had lots more opportunities with other businesses and collaborations and all kinds of things. So I've just seen tons and tons of growth since I joined CBA. I had seen other masterminds in other business niches and such, and I thought that was such a great idea for people that were not just starting out, but had actually been in their business for quite some time. I knew all the basics of starting a business and running a business, and I needed just a little extra something to keep me motivated, help me take the next steps, help me make decisions for my business. And having that smaller group of designers and crochetpreneurs that I meet with each week really helps me stay focused, stay motivated, and just grow and learn. If you're thinking about joining CBA, I would say that you got to be committed to doing the work. You're going to get tons of information. You're going to be so motivated by CBA, and you're going to learn a lot, but you have to be willing to put in the work. It doesn't do any good if you learn all that and don't do anything and don't take any action steps. So that would be my biggest thing. If you're committed to doing the work, CBA is going to be great for you.